As of May 28, 2021, Rocky Mountain National Park has confirmed a two-tiered time entry reservation policy. At this time, this will be in effect until October. The park is considering keeping this in place each summer season. But there are other ways to enter the park without reservations. And we are going to show you what some of these options are. Don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss a minute of Colorado Martini. Visitors will have the choice of two types of reservations. The first is the Bear Lake Road Corridor. This is the most popular. The second option includes access to the rest of the park. With the option number 2, you cannot access the Bear Lake Road Corridor at all. In both cases, your reservations will be good for a 2-hour window. So if your reservations is at 2 p.m., you have until 4 p.m. to enter the park. But once visitors have entered, they may remain in the park beyond the 2-hour entry window. To get reservations, go to the recreation.gov website. We've put a link down in the description. Reservations for the following month opens on the first day of the previous month. For example, the month of September reservations opens August 1st, and October reservations open September 1st. The two types are referred to as Bear Lake Road Corridor plus full park access, and the second option is referred to as Park Access excludes Bear Lake Road Corridor. The cost of a reservation currently is $2. In addition, you will still need to pay the park entry fee. At this time, the daily fee is $25 per car, or you can use your annual pass. But what if you just want to drive through the park on Trail Ridge Road between Estes Park and Grand Lake? If you want to do this between 9 a.m. and 3 p.m., you will need to have a reservation. If you enter the park before 9 a.m. and after 3 p.m., you will not need a reservation to access Trail Ridge Road. If you are a visitor entering on a bike, you do not need a reservation. But this is not for everyone. This is not a good option for a family with kids or people who are not cycling experts. What are some of the places you can see with a Bear Lake Corridor reservation? For the Bear Lake Corridor, the required reservations are from 5 a.m. to 6 p.m. On Bear Lake Road, you have access to many of the park's most popular destinations, including Glacier Basin, Sprague Lake, Bierstadt Lake, Glacier Gorge, and Emerald Lake, along with the beautiful Moraine Park. Plus, you have access to the rest of the park. So what can I see if I do not have a Bear Lake Corridor reservation? For access to the park, but excluding Bear Lake Corridor, reservations are required from 9 a.m. to 3 p.m. That means you can still drive over Trail Ridge Road, hike Lumpy Ridge, or visit the Alluvial Fan, or even go to Indo Valley or Sheep Lake. You can access these areas without a reservation if you get there before 9 a.m. or after 3 p.m. So how does this work once you have a reservation? First, you will get into the park through a normal entrance gate. Pay your normal park fee or show your annual pass. Then, if you have the Bear Lake Corridor reservation, you can proceed on to Bear Lake Road, where you will find another guard station. At this station, a ranger will check to make sure you have the proper reservation to proceed. So why did they make this decision? Since 2020, there have been a significant increase in visitation to public lands in Colorado, including Rocky Mountain National Park. The park has also been struggling with COVID-19 concerns. They also have had ongoing seasonal staff sharing housing challenges, along with reduced shuttle bus capacity and residual fire impacts in some of the areas of the park from the historic fires in 2020. What if I have a campground reservation? Visitors must book camping reservations in advance. There are no same-day sales at the park campgrounds. You may enter the park on the first day of your camping reservation with your camping reservation confirmation presented. The entrance station staff will also collect your park entrance fee. Tours are another option to get you into the park. The Estes Park trolleys run sightseeing tours in the lower section of the park from 9 a.m. to noon. At this time, the cost for an adult is around $75 and $35 for children 12 years old and under. There's also other van tours that will take you up to Trail Ridge Road from 1 to 5 p.m. Those tours run about $100 for adults and $55 for children. Scott Sporting Goods offers guided hikes and fly fishing tours in the park. Their packages start around $200 per person. There are other tours that also run into the park. Just recently, Bustang started up again after the epidemic. Bustang is a bus system run by Colorado Department of Transportation. They operate 2 routes to and from Estes Park on Saturdays and Sundays. They will drop you off at the Estes Park Visitor Center. Then you can catch the Estes Park free trolley, which will take you to a variety of locations in town. Or you can catch a free bus to the Bear Lake Park and Ride in Rocky Mountain National Park. Visitors will need a Rocky Mountain National Park entrance pass to ride the free bus to the Bear Lake Park and Ride. And the best part is, Bustang passengers do not need to purchase a time entry permit. Once in the park, Bustang riders can board other buses depending on where they want to go in the Bear Lake Road corridor. The trip to the visitor center takes about 2 hours. Return trips depart Estes Park at 3 p.m. and 5 p.m. So needless to say, there's a lot of time on a bus. No matter how you plan to go to Rocky Mountain National Park, make sure that you plan far in advance before ever coming to Rocky Mountain National Park. Make sure to catch all our videos on the beautiful Rocky Mountain state of Colorado.